Hi, I'm Murray Smith. I'm here with Brian Crawford from IPSM Australia, the exclusive distributors of the icebreaker in Australia. And we're going to talk to you about what is the icebreaker. So we've talked to you about meth contamination and other things, but what is the icebreaker and what does it do? So I'm going to hand it over to Brian. He's going to briefly explain and then show us the device. Thanks, Brian.
Yep. Okay. Ice is the result of the manufacturing of methamphetamines. It is commonly smoked, and the vapors that are released stick to anything that's porous and actually get absorbed by any porous materials. The icebreaker, it will detect those chemicals instantly and send a message to the landlord. It sniffs the air or tests the air every 30 minutes, and the instant it detects that vapor, you'll get a message. It just is attached to the wall like that, either on a wall or on the ceiling, and that's your protection against contamination from meth and ice.
So it only does that one thing, Brian. It just detects the presence of ice vapors. It's not a surveillance device or anything like that.
No, right. No, it doesn't detect any audio or visual stuff. It's like a smoke detector. It just sits quietly.
Right. So it doesn't breach any privacy rules or anything like that.
No.
Obviously, no.
No.
So you've proven it's effective over time. Like people that have used it have.
Definitely. We are the Australian distributors. New Zealand have had that for a number of years now, and one lady had a mat that she brought in from another property she had, and this device picked up the vapors that it was releasing because the property before was contaminated.
Oh wow, that's a powerful story.
Yeah.
So the whole thing of it seeping into porous materials like curtains, carpets, I believe even timber and gyprock.
Yes.
Which most people think is far-fetched, but it's not. It's actually happened.
Yes, it does, and now they're finding that perhaps even after the gyprock's been cleaned or walls have been cleaned, there's possibly still vapors releasing.
So by cleaned, you mean just like what might normally clean a substance?
No, this is chemically cleaned by specialist cleaners.
So even if it's specialist cleaned, it can still really be releasing vapors?
Yes, they're not really sure as to how deep those cleaning chemicals are getting into the.
Wow, that's phenomenal.
Into the boards.
All right. So an investment property owner can purchase this, have it installed in their property, and have absolute assurance that if their tenant was to use meth, which is they use it in the form of the crystal drug ice and smoke it or make it, this will go off.
This will go off.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic. All right. So there's the icebreaker. Very simple. A lot of people are in disbelief when they hear some of that stuff, and I certainly was. And I hope it helps you understand the importance of protecting your investment property. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can ask us any questions at all. We're very open. 0ice@theicebreaker.com.au, as you'll see on the screen, or you can even book a call for 15 minutes and talk to us, and we'll answer any question you've got. So I look forward to hearing from you.